Passport? Where are you flying from?
No English.
Ticket? Do you have a plane ticket?
Yeah, yes.
Nepal.
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And that's the overview of the pronouns, which will be on the next practice exam, which will also be in about 2 weeks.
Curry?
Cook
curry?
To cook.
Cook. Like
this?
this?
Well, we have...
Master, I'm nice ones. I really am, but it's okay.
थाहा छ कि म कोसिस गरिरहेको छु सबैजना कस्तो छिटो बोल्छ म बुझ्दै बुझ्दैन के हो
Here are your practice tests back. Please look over them, look at the corrections, and what you've done and what you can be able to do better.
Have you tried hello?
No. Practice English?
Yes.
Hello. Time, manner, library, friend, study. And people are talking so fast and I'm like, what are you talking? I am Manju. I'm from Nepal. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful.
Yeah.
You know, your English is much better.
Thank you.